Good morning. This is Mark Lefebvre from the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with this week's Conservation Report. Today I'd like to talk about current requirements for applying fall nitrogen fertilizer. So the Minnesota Department of Agriculture is reminding farmers and commercial applicators that fall nitrogen fertilizer applications are restricted in some areas of the state. Under the Minnesota Department of Ag's Groundwater Protection Rule, fall nitrogen fertilizer application is prohibited in vulnerable areas of Minnesota due to environmental concerns or risks. Areas with coarse textured soils or areas above fractured bedrock or karst geology are the most vulnerable to nitrate loss and groundwater contamination. The Department of Ag announced updates to the fall nitrogen fertilizer restriction map in January. These updates were made to correct mapping and data issues. An additional 250,000 cropland acres were added to the fall nitrogen fertilizer restriction map, while 4,600 cropland acres were removed from the map. The Groundwater Protection Rule applies only to cropland acres, and restrictions begin September 1 each year. Farmers are encouraged to check the new map prior to this fall of 2022 to determine if their fields are subject to these restrictions. The Department of Ag has a nice online mapping tool that allows you to zoom into the field level to see if any nitrogen restrictions exist on your fields. They also have more information on the website for restrictions. I would suggest doing an internet search for the Minnesota Groundwater Protection Rule to find more info on that. In areas of the state where fall nitrogen fertilizer application is allowed, the Department of Ag advises farmers and commercial applicators to check soil temperatures and wait for cooler conditions. Research shows that delaying fall application of anhydrous ammonia and urea fertilizer, as well as manure, until the average soil temperature reaches 50 degrees Fahrenheit or cooler helps prevent nitrogen loss, protects water quality, and ensures that more nitrogen will be available for that next year's season's crop. To assist tracking soil temperature, the Department of Ag provides real-time 6-inch soil temperatures at 25 locations across the state. In addition, it provides links to soil temperature from the University of Minnesota research stations and the North Dakota Ag Weather Network weather stations. To view these soil temperature maps, you can search the web for 6-inch soil temperatures in Minnesota to get you to that website. Although the Soil Temperature Network was established to support application of nitrogen fertilizer, it is equally useful for those applying manure in the fall. University of Minnesota Extension recommends the same temperature delay of 6-inch soil temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent leaching losses from manure applications as well. If you'd like more information on this topic or any other conservation question you may have, you can call our office at 320-251-7800, extension 3. This is Mark Lefebvre from the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report, and thanks for listening this morning.